Bhavani Ayurveda's Clarify skincare ritual has been formulated and designed to help heal blemishes and acne. When you experience acne, according to Ayurvedic medicine, you're experiencing an imbalance in Vata, Pitta, and Kapha doshas. The Clarify skincare ritual line is designed to target dryness that can occur when there's acne and blemishes. It also will help reduce excess oiliness or excess sebum production. Will also help to unclog pores, purify the skin, heal acne scars, and eradicate the bacteria on the skin and within the pores that lead to acne and or blemishes. So we've spent a lot of time formulating and designing our Clarify skincare line, and we've been so pleased with the feedback that we've received from people that have used it. And it's pretty cool to see how Ayurvedic medicine and Ayurvedic herbalism is such a powerful tool to help eradicate acne and promote healthy, luminous skin. What exactly do you receive when you get the Clarify skincare ritual? Well, you'll get the 2-in-1 Clarify cleanser and mask. It's designed to cleanse the skin, draw impurities out of the pores, and remove excess oil. Step 2 is the Clarify toner. This does a wonderful job cleansing the skin, detoxifying the skin, eradicating any harmful bacteria that might be in the skin or in the pores. And then we have the Clarify Serum. So it has things like neem and frankincense and black cumin seed oil that will help to heal and clear acne and blemishes. And what's pretty cool about incorporating this serum into your skincare ritual is that it's going to help clear and purify the skin, but also give your skin the nourishment it needs to heal itself. The Clarify skincare ritual also includes a 2-ounce floral water. And we recommend combining the floral water with the Clarify serum. These two pair really nicely together. And you can also use the floral water with your cleanser and mask. So this is a great addition to the skincare ritual. And another exciting and great addition to the Clarify skincare ritual is this tips card. And this is a card that has tips for blemish or acne prone skin and just gives you some more Ayurvedic tips and protocols to help heal, nourish, detoxify, and overall balance skin.